Today we're going to put on some side louvers on a 2009 Mustang GT500 KR. And so we've got the louvers here that just came in. We'll pull them out. Now what most of these louvers come with is some two-sided Scotch tape. You certainly don't want to glue these bad boys down, even on glass. But regardless, you will be able to take these off once they're installed. And then what you want to do is get you two-sided Scotch tape. This is a Core Series JS. You'll see this a lot on automotive parts, that exterior and interior parts, especially when you're installing. So very, very simple, straightforward. So what you want to do is you're going to cut these off, and you're going to place them along the lines here on the louver. And what it'll do, it'll certainly look just like this one that we've already completed. And really simple. You do not want to go around the edges. You want to cut the edges, keep it straight, both left and right, and all the way to the ends. If you do the curvature, you'll see the bubble up, and you'll actually lose this corner. Since this is going to be an exterior piece, you definitely want to cover almost every area so air doesn't get up underneath it, especially on the larger louver sides. This is what's taking on the air. So we'll do the install and let you guys look at it afterwards. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to clean the window with a alcohol sterile pad. These sterile pads usually come with the kits, but if not, you definitely want to do this either with rubbing alcohol or with these alcohol prep pads. You can get it at any parts store. So you're just going to go around the edges to make sure you get all debris off. Trust me, this does, even though if you think your glass looks clean, you want to go through this process for sure. It really does help the Scotch two-way tape adhere to the glass. Once you take all the red tape, one-sided tape off, now you've got the sticky side showing. You're literally going to apply the louver to the glass. Make sure it comes on as you want to see it. So like you can move it, just like that. If it did not adhere to the position you wanted it to, then once you got it on, you can double check all the corners and look at it back from afar. And then you're going to do your final press, which is all the way around the louver with your fingers pretty hard. Now you're going to do this a few times until you get 100% connection all the way around the louver. Really simple, looks good. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Please subscribe to our channel. Take care.